Have you ever pondered the allure of the open road, the freedom of an RV, and the thrill of an ever-changing backyard? Welcome, as we explore the realm of RVing and its lifestyle. Consider the respite from the daily grind, trading the ordinary for the extraordinary. You're not just vacationing, you're adventuring, trading a box-like room for the boundless natural world, exchanging fixed itineraries for unplanned detours to undiscovered spots. Now envision complete convenience all in one place. Your bed, kitchen, bathroom, all in your mobile dwelling. No need to pack and unpack at every stop. No bookings required. It's convenient living on wheels. And don't forget the savings. Think about the costs of a regular vacation. Hotels, meals, transport. It's a quick tally and not a small one. But RVing curtails those expenses. The world becomes your hotel and dining room. Your doubles as your accommodation. Have you ever tallied up the cost of a traditional vacation? Hotels, eating out, transport, it all adds up and fast. But with RVing, those expenses diminish. The world becomes both your hotel and your restaurant, and your mode of transport is also your accommodation. These are just a few of the many benefits of RVing. But where can you find out more? Where can you delve deeper into this lifestyle, explore the options, and start planning your own RV adventure? Everythingaboutrving.com is your answer. This comprehensive resource is rich with over 45 years of personal RVing experience. It's a treasure trove of information, from the variety of RV options available, from luxurious Class A motorhomes to rustic tent trailers, to first-hand accounts of the unique experiences and sights that can be enjoyed while traveling in an RV. To summarize, RVing offers an unparalleled sense of freedom and convenience, along with significant cost savings. And everythingaboutrving.com is your ultimate guide to embracing this lifestyle. It's more than a website. It's your ticket to the open road. So why wait? Start your own RVing adventure today. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Everything About RVing YouTube channel. By clicking the logo, you will be able to view more awesome content on all things about RVing and about the RV lifestyle. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it. Looking for more tips, tricks, and RV tales? Click on the video suggestions on the screen. Safe travels and see you on the open road.